Richard hasn't seen the Christmas tree yet, but I'm gonna go get him so he can see it. I think you should come down the stairs.
Mama.
You coming?
Mama.
Are you coming?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you come downstairs? Do you see what's down here?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Are you gonna come down?
Yes.
Are you gonna go fast?
No.
You should.
No.
There's something cool down here. You wanna come down and see?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You wanna come down and see?
Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta close the door. You want me to help? Okay, come here.
Let's see. Do.
There we go. Come on down.
I do.
Bye, door. Are you coming down?
Cheese.
That's right, a Christmas tree.
Cheese.
Do you want to come down and see it?
Yeah.
Well, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, when you were sleeping, we put up the Christmas tree. Whoa. Christmas tree. Huh?
Hey.
Hi, Christmas tree. What is that?
Cheese.
That's right.
Big hill. Getty.
Pretty cool Christmas tree, huh? Who's that? Santa. What does Santa say? Merry Christmas. That's right. Do you like that Christmas tree? Oh, you love that Christmas tree. You gave it kisses. Aww. Say Merry Christmas. Richard, can you say Merry Christmas?
Santa.
Who's that?
Santa.
Santa Big Bird.
Santa. Big Bird.
Wow. Oh, I'm glad you like the tree.
Paper.
Uh-huh.
Paper. Yeah.
Christmas tree.
Cover tree.
Yeah.